Welcome back, guys. This is your host, Bitcoin Bishop. Here with another impact video. Make sure you like, subscribe for the YouTube algorithm so we can get this video out to others. Okay, now what we got here is ETH, US to USD on the monthly chart. And as for the monthly chart, guys, it looks decent, but we have 6 days to the monthly close, so nothing is certain. We can definitely fall back down to whatever to the end of this Gaussian channel. But let's take a look at the daily because it's not really much to see here. It's kind of brick and mortar. So we'll go to the weekly first. We'll try the weekly first. What we got here is these pivot rings. These orange rings are pivot rings. Usually when the ETH price gets past these pivot rings, we usually get a nice pump. So I don't really see a pump going on for ETH until late August, late August, around August 15th, which sounds right about right. That right there would be like probably like the ending of Q2, starting of Q3, which sounds about right. If we're looking for an ETH pump, and as we can see for the weekly, we got 5 days to the close, and ETH's just been heading down here. Now we might get a little relief rally. Touch some of these EMAs and these resistance bands, but not too much, guys. I don't really see too much for the ETH price just because I don't really see too much going on for the ETH price or alts overall, just because the Bitcoin dominance is starting to pull up here. So with a stronger Bitcoin dominance, that means weaker alts. We can go to the daily for ETH. And it's really simple, guys. Really simple. Reasons why we're dumping like this is during our pump in July, we didn't receive much resistance on our way up, so that's why we're not getting any support or resistance on the way down. So if you go to the ETH price on the daily, looks like we could be cutting. Oh yeah, it looks like we can be getting a pump here in the next coming days. I don't see ETH price going past 2,800, 2,850. That would come right in line with our bearish order block here. So as the Gaussian channel as well coming down, it would take a couple days for the Gaussian channel just to come down a touch here. So just like how we came up right here. And touch the band, the same thing we'll do in these same thing we'll do for this uptrend. Just tap the band and go back down. Just tap the band, go back down. It's really simple. ETH on the 4-hour. Looks like this is our pump that's starting. What we have here is a inverse head and shoulders. Now it's going to play out, but I don't think we would get our full target on this one. I don't think we get our full target on this one. This is not going to be the inverse head and shoulders that's going to send you to like 10K ETH, guys. This is just going to be the inverse head and shoulders that's going to send you probably to resistance, and that's it. We'll take a look at the ETH to BTC chart just to show you the overall strength of ETH. Pretty much looks the same. We're going sideways, consolidating before a dump. We'll go to the daily. Pretty much the same thing. Just like how we had a little bit of relief, we'll get a little bit of relief. Probably test 0.7 ETH, 0.07, and that's probably it. And then we'll check out the weekly. Same thing, getting down to our Gaussian channel, getting down to the median line, our Gaussian channel, which is the reason why we should get a pump here, and then head back down. If you want to ask me for my overall bottom price for ETH, let's go back to the ETH. Ooh, what's not the ETH? Let's go back to the ETH USD chart. ETH USD. So my overall bottom price for ETH, I gotta say, with the ETH being with ETH in the conversation of in the same conversation of Ripple and the security talks and things like that, I would say for ETH coming down to this black candle, which would be our the bottom of this black candle, which would be our bullish order block, I'd say right about $700 to $600 for ETH. That'd be my complete bottom for ETH when everything is said and done and everything dips out and everything goes down. We'll take a look at BTC dominance. BTC dominance. Okay. So BTC dominance is bullish here. This is why I say that I'm not really looking at alts right now, because alts is going to be a weaker too. They're going to be less strong as look into the Bitcoin dominance chart. This is Bitcoin dominance on the hourly. Yeah, we're just continuing to head on up, guys. We're literally just testing the middle of our band. You can see it testing that green part of the band and just, heading on up. Take the week at the daily for Bitcoin dominance. We'll take a look at the daily. And I'm not sure my phone is doing this. Okay, there we go. Sorry, guys. So the daily looks like we want to close bullish. So it looks like it's back down for alts. Also will not get it. If we can see the Bitcoin dominance closing like this, or it's 2 hours. A lot can happen in 2 hours. Nothing is certain in these markets. We can definitely see the Bitcoin dominance. If we start to pull up on the Bitcoin dominance, then you can just kiss your alt setups goodbye, and they'll definitely plummet against the Bitcoin price. Okay, and then I mean that's pretty much it. Like, subscribe.